Here we have to draw and label the vectors on the axis for questions 19 through 21. And you can see that here vector A is given by I hat, this is called I hat, and this is called j hat, and I hat is the x component and j hat is the y component, and k hat would be the z component if we had one. So let's just draw minus I, which is minus 1 in the x component. So our x component would be this right here, and then the y component is positive 2. So we start from where we ended and then we go up, so that's 2, and that would be from start to finish, and that is our A vector, which is negative I hat plus positive 2j hat. So let's look at question 20, and you can see that B is negative 2j hat and there's no I component. If there's no I hat component, that means that there's no x component, so this is solely in the y axis. We have y, and that is our B vector. In question 21 we have 3 I hat, so this is our 3 in the x component, and negative 2j hat, so where you ended drawing your x, draw negative 2, and then from start to finish, and that is our C vector. Let's look at question 22. Here they are giving us the vector in the diagram, and we have to find the x and y components. So let's look at vector A here in question 22. You see that it is 3 in the x component, and then you go up 1 in the y component. So that is, you have positive 3I hat plus 1j hat. In question 23, you see that you go negative 1 in the x component, and then you go down 2, so negative 2 in the y component. So we write negative I hat minus 2j hat. In question 24, we see that there's an x component but no y component. So x component here is, we have negative 3, so it is just negative 3I hat, and it would be plus 0j hat.